welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I know, I think I've been gone for like, I don't even know, it feels like I've been gone for a long time. So guys, so bear with me. This video is going to be, I'm going to be rambling a bit, but I did write down things I'm going to talk about. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are feeling good. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year. I know I haven't said Happy New Year to you guys, and we're like in March, and it's still a new year, so sure, why not? Happy New Year. So today I'm just going to be talking about my channel, where I'm at, new year, why I've been gone for so long, and what's my plan for 2019. So in my last video I kind of mentioned it. I'm not going to go back to it again, but I'll just cut it short briefly. The reason why I've been gone for so long is because my laptop, I left my laptop and my camera and other stuff on the train. It got stolen, everything back, but obviously I'm not that rich, so I couldn't buy everything back I want. So I had to, like, I bought my camera first because I needed my camera to vlog while I traveled to Nigeria. So I just, first of, after losing all my equipment, I lost my motivation, and then I traveled to Nigeria, came back, and I don't know, I still wasn't motivated, but I was just like, you know what, just take your time, and just once you get your laptop, a new laptop, going to start again. So, new laptop, camera ready, YouTube ready. Yeah, and I've been watching a lot of like YouTube videos, and I'm so pumped right now. Like, I have so many ideas, but anyways, yeah, so that's why I've been gone for so long. Yeah, and so let's talk about this. Yes, let's talk about this. Right, so yeah, new look. I got my nose pierced. I got my nose pierced on my birthday, which was in January 19th, Capricorn in the house, whoop whoop. So yeah, so I actually have a vlog on that, which I'm going to show you guys. New look, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, so while I was away, I got my nose pierced. It was my birthday. I traveled to Nigeria, so I gained weight as well. I've just been living life, I guess. So I feel like 2018 was the year of figuring things out. It was like the year for me to like figure out what I'm doing, you know. Like 2018 was a very confused, stressful, but a good year, because I finally figured out what I want to do, where I'm heading, and my direction, and things I want to do. And as time goes on, you guys will obviously see that on my channel. But yeah, so last year was mad. 2018 was crazy, but I thank God, because 2018 taught me a lot of stuff, and it helped me to figure out things that I want to do. Let's talk about 2019. 3 months into the new year, and I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful. I feel like the year is going by so fast. 2019 is like running. Well, we're in March already. Like, can you guys believe it? It's just, sometimes it stresses me out, because like now that I know what I want to do, I feel like time is just going by so fast. So I'm just like, I need to like start this thing now. Yeah, so basically I'm going to try my best to be consistent, but if you guys don't see a video from me, just take it as it's not me being lazy, it's life. Something just happens, and if I'm able to come back and explain to you guys what happened, I will, and if not, just take it. Life happens. So basically, going forward, videos for me every Tuesday. So on my channel, you guys should expect lifestyle videos, vlog because I have a lot of things I want to share with you guys. So definitely beauty, fashion videos, and also celebrity gossip. Yes, I'm going to bring that back because I actually enjoyed talking about celebrities with you guys, and you guys did enjoy it before, and then I stopped it. So we're going to bring in celebrity gossip back, and a lot of things are always happening in the celebrity world, which I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so we're going to be bringing that back as well. So yeah, so exciting times, and I'm so excited. So that's the plan for my channel. So expect videos every Tuesdays. I just feel like there's some things that should be private, and I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to like show a bit more of myself and what I'm really about, but at the same time I'm going to keep some things private. Yeah, so yeah, so that's the plan for my channel. My plan this year is to go all out with my channel. I'm going to promote the hell out of my channel. I feel like before I was shy, I was scared of what people would think. I was kind of like, oh, maybe I shouldn't really share my videos because people will just laugh at me, which people have before, and they've laughed in my face. If you're watching this, you know yourself, and they're probably watching this and they're laughing, but it's all good. Keep laughing. But yeah, so I don't really care anymore. This is what I want to do. I enjoy doing this. I'm so excited doing this. So the last thing I want to talk about is on my Instagram. There's this new thing. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me. I'll leave the link on the link to my Instagram name on the screen and in the description box. Basically, on my Instagram now, there's a thing I'm doing called Music Mondays, and basically it's just throwback music Mondays. So basically I share throwback music every Mondays. So I think I've put up like S Club 7, what else have I put up? TLC, Girl Talk, Atomic Kitten. I've shared Atomic Kitten. So basically every Monday on my Instagram I put out old throwback music video, music for my followers to enjoy, because music nowadays is rubbish. And if you go through my phone, basically on my phone I have all music videos, but it's like old music videos, and I enjoy it a lot. So basically I'm sharing that with my Instagram followers. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram. That's every Monday, but either way, just follow me on Instagram, and yeah, just to find out what that's about. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for being here. Now you know the deal. If you like my channel so far, if you like my content, and if you like my personality, and you think I'm someone that you want to get to know, then don't forget to click that subscribe button down below, and also click that notification bell so that each time I post you will get notified and you will not miss any uploads from me. If you're a long time subscriber and you get this notification and you're watching this video, thank you for coming back again. I'm back. Yes, I am, and I'm excited, and thank you for not unsubscribing. And yeah, so oh yeah, and I also need to still show you guys the Nigerian vlog. Nigeria was awesome. Literally enjoyed myself. I had like mad fun. And yeah, so anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Adios, bye.